Today, we're stepping into the world of bold utility wear with a high visibility twist. We are making the Green Firefighter Utility Kilt with reflective tape. Before we start the manufacturing, we gather our tools: forest green fabric, yellow and silver reflective safety tape, metal snaps, lobster hooks, D-rings, thread, measuring tape, chalk, scissors, and a sewing machine. We begin by selecting a durable green fabric. We roll it out, mark the measurements for the waistband and length, and begin cutting panels according to the wearer's custom size. After that, we shape the wide back panels. These panels are pleated by hand, each fold measured and pressed for a crisp, professional finish. We begin stitching the pleats tightly at the top, securing them firmly while allowing flow and movement. The panels are joined to create a full wraparound kilt body. After that, we cut the fabric to make flap pockets and stitch them on both sides for carrying small items. Next, we make and attach a waistband wide enough to support the structure and accommodate belt loops. We install side straps and buckles, giving the kilt its adjustable fit. Metal snap buttons are added for extra security and ease of wear. Now, it's time for the signature firefighter look. We cut lengths of bright yellow and silver reflective safety tape and align them along the pleats and apron. With all elements in place, we give the kilt a thorough pressing to set the pleats and clean up the lines.